Hi, in today's video we're going to put together a set of 4-tier shelf kits. We're going to be using them in the basement food pantry we're going to be putting together. We wanted to be able to more easily inventory and rotate these food preps. These are 2246, black or white. I think we'll get black. They stick together. Here we go. Get them all here. We'll probably just do this on fast forward when we, maybe, some of it anyhow. There we go. All right. Let's put these in here. And then in here. And one more. We'll come down here. And we'll get this one in here. We good? Mm-hmm. And we got one more. I like it. So they had black and they had white, and I don't know, white can get dirty. I just thought black would be great. So we're going to get this downstairs and we're going to try to get some organization to our prepping. So I'll bring you down there with.
I know you're just a dawn away. I keep thinking about that big sky I've seen so many times before. But it's something else today.
We've had all this prepper food down in our basement for a while now and a couple of tables, and we just now have been able to make time to put this all away and organize it. We wanted to have something to organize our food preps on that we could more easily inventory and rotate our prepper foods and all of our prepper supplies for that matter. I also want to mention that the food down here is mostly food that we would purchase and eat anyway, so we're not really going to be out anything if there's never really a need that arises to use prepping food. Even this Thrive freeze-dried food you can make in soups, and it has lots of flavor. It's very good. One of the advantages we noticed right away to having a little prepping area is that if we run out of something, let's say we were grilling hamburgers outside, we run out of ketchup, we'll shop our house and get ketchup from down in this area here before we'll go down to the grocery store or the convenience store. The downside that we notice is that we then forget to stock our prepping area. So the goal is to hopefully never have that happen again and keep this plenty stocked. So I love these expandable shelves because we can add shelving, different types of shelving. If it's the same brand, they connect together. So this closet here, which we're turning into a pantry, has lots of room to expand. Now this isn't the most comprehensive food prepping pantry, but you have to start somewhere. So hopefully we've inspired you, and if there ever is a shortage for whatever reason, we won't be a drain at the grocery store because we'll already have food here. Alright, thanks for watching our video. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see you on the next video.